This is Professor Lojani Senkunku. We are in the last part of our speech, Thanksgiving and global balance sheet. We are in headquarters of Geneva, United Nations, Geneva, December 17, 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, how about we made our many contributions around the world and since many years, and we didn't get any paid, we didn't get any income. Has oppressor blocked our income, confiscated. That's why I hope that many people in the future are not going to know what I face. And I hope also this is a show that after me, the next Secretary General will suffer. I hope that the next Secretary General after me, they are not going to treat him like that. They are not going to overturn election for many times, for many months. Ladies and gentlemen, you has worn the hand of the year. You are asking, you're interrogating our global balance sheet about employment. Indeed, we were in 2021, we were in the front line for employment and job for we people. Remember, we were the first to introduce to United Nations at ILO the program of Job for All. We graduated in Italy, Center of Training of the International Labor Organization in international labor law. So we know very well the employment, job. We know very well public jobs and the criteria. We are the owner of a private company. We were CEO several times, but the white supremacy blocked us, get jealous, blocked us many times. When they leave, when my friend Mark Zuckerberg is free to change Facebook to Meta, but for us black, we cannot. Our center of international center of research and in natural resources and energy created in Canada, federal institutions that were blocked. And we wish Mark Zuckerberg good luck with Meta. Meta means up, supernatural. That's what Meta means, supernatural. So, but the most important for this speech is our global balance sheet, our contribution to humanity about employment. Racial, tribe, and ethnic jobs can be used in your village, in your private company, private business. But it's out of it when you rule the nation and you want to respect your constitution, that all citizens are equal. So giving job to all without tribe, ethnic, and racial consideration is our fight for a long time. Our fight for a long time. And the best way to reach there is the United Nations program, Job for All. The interference of colonization, apartheid, and Freemasonry criminal organization had since a decade introduced discrimination for jobs and blackmail, wasting the time of applicant and seeker of jobs. Let me read the standard message that most of company, white and black company, sent to 4,000 applicants. We remind you that there are many people send over than 3,000, over 3,000 or 4,000 CV in the company, but they never get the job. Here the message they used to get. Dear applicant, we received your application and thank you, but we received an exceptional quantity, strong and high caliber application. We regret to inform you that you are not short-listed. That's the message many people remember to receive, and that's the message they will receive in 2022 after applying the job, for job. In Africa, we saw, and there is evidence that no lady and woman can be short-listed or get job without having forced sexual relation with the white sponsor or the coach or the Negro of house. With the globalization of Freemasonry, or with the generalization of Freemasonry criminal organization practice, it's become impossible for further consideration of jobs application without drinking human blood, orgy in cemetery, getting in slavery, sleeping with dogs and animals. More than 44% of women and men face these challenges. There is also another practice that unqualified worker get the job, reaching the top by favoritism or dominance, when people deserve to have a job, when meritorious people are not feeling valued, get stressed for employment lost, or keeping sad, emotional, worried, and angry before they welcome them in hospital, psychiatric department. We proposed for a long time our program, the United Nations program, Job for All, salary and income for all. This is cover those have degree and those that have a degree, and people, youth, elder, jobless, seek short-term financial solution. Ladies and gentlemen, let us end this speech of December 17, 2021. As we know, there are many expectations for the responsibility you give us to lead you, to care about you, to fight for your dreams at New York as Secretary General. If you didn't hear yours to be mentioned, doesn't mean they aren't in our agenda. We can assure you they will be given all consideration that they deserve and find the right solution. In this Christmas or holiday time, as we don't worship horoscope and season, keeping this message short gives me also opportunity to join those who are struggling, crying, or commemorating the loss of loved one, justice seeker, prisoner, refugee, civil society, frustrated by injustice all the year 2021. We urge them and invite them not to remain in commemoration, not to remain in 2021 regret and sadness, but to move with us in celebration together of your victory as you elected Professor Olujane Nkunku, your Secretary General of United Nations. Come to celebrate your choice, your right choice. You choose us because you give us responsibility of your freedom, responsibility of your protection, responsibility of your dream, protection, responsibility of the protection of your family, children. You choose us because you believe in competence, love, freedom, justice, health, healing life, jobs, and business for all, the redistribution of wealth, equitability, cash for all, scholarship for all, prosperity for all. The most important against Freemasonry is the security for all, as we must remain vigilant. Let us celebrate, but we must remain vigilant. Allow me to wish you Merry Christmas, and to no Christian, Happy Holidays, and whatever you call it, whatever your religions, We wish you this moment long life, living, as we consecrate our life to defend lives. Kindly welcome the most safe and magical and prosperous year 2022 with your family, friends, siblings, and relatives. God bless you. God protect you. God bless we people around the world. God bless we people around the world and Africa, African people. Thank you so much.